I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook yolk eggs. To begin, always select the freshest eggs available. This significantly impacts the final taste and consistency. Carefully crack each egg into a small bowl first. This simple step helps you avoid any shell fragments in your dish and ensures the yolk remains perfectly intact before cooking. For a classic sunny side up, heat a non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Add approximately 1 teaspoon of butter or oil, ensuring it coats the pan evenly. Carefully slide your egg into the pan. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until the whites are completely set but the yolk is still wonderfully warm and liquid. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper. To achieve an over-easy, medium, or hard egg, start by cooking it sunny side up for about 2 minutes. Then, using a thin spatula, carefully flip the egg. For an over-easy yolk, cook for just 30 seconds. For over-medium, cook for 1 minute. If you prefer an over-hard yolk, cook for 2 minutes, ensuring it is fully set. For perfectly poached yolk eggs, bring a pot of water to a gentle simmer, not a rolling boil. Add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. This helps the egg hold its shape. Create a gentle swirl in the water, then carefully drop your egg into the center. Poach for 3 to 4 minutes for a beautifully runny yolk, then remove with a slotted spoon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.